Happy Wednesday, ladies! We have gotten bombed by a big old blizzard. I'm kicking it here in the hotel room with my friend Christina.
No.
Who actually... No?
No video.
No video. Because I'm a mess too. Because we walked in the snow.
Okay.
And... Oh! I'm going to have my first featured guest. Because we both look...
Really?
Yeah.
Look at me.
We both look a hot mess.
A little bit. Okay, you can do your thing. I'm gonna keep playing with my phone.
So, the reason I haven't updated in a while is because everything is crazy and there's not much to tell. I've missed 3 weigh-ins. The first one I gained 2 pounds. The next week I lost 0.4, and this week I don't know because I'm just completely off track at this moment. I'm gonna go get purtified now.